Hello everyone and welcome back to my video blog. Today I'm going to talk about return on investment. Return on investment for what? For your home improvement. Because I have received a lot of call inquiries from many of you about, hey, I'm thinking about selling. What will be the improvement that will give me back the highest return, right? The most bang to your bucks. Okay, so today I'm gonna share with you some of the tips that pretty much a fix and flip investor will do on their home. That they purchase a certain price, they spend $50,000-$60,000 to make a return of $50,000-$60,000, which is 100% return of what they put in or more. Okay, so it's the same thing that I'm going to share those things with you. Okay, so the first thing is a curb appeal for sure. Okay, so the first curb appeal is your lawn, make it green, trim edge nicely, cut down the bushes, and then, since we are going to spring, why I'm going to share this one with you today is because we're going to the springtime. Springtime is the start of the hot real estate market. Does not matter if the interest is up or down. The most home sale will be during this month of from May all the way to end of August, September. That's the peak in any cycle in every year. Okay, so I keep track on that one for the last 30 years. That is the trend. Okay, so the first thing I'm talking about is curb appeal, right? We talk about how to make the landscape nice. Okay, yeah, don't go overboard. Put some green on it, put some fertilizer, green it, trim edge it, put some flower, trim down the bushes, cut down some of the unnecessary thing, vegetation, make it nice, clean. And then, some home outside have some wood siding, take out that wood siding and put in some manufactured stone veneer. That would be the best bangs of the bucks. Okay. And then the second one for the exterior is your garage door. And our culture in Southern California, where the garage is a big portion of the front of the house. Change your worn out garage door with a fresh one, a new one. Okay, will also give you the 100% return on your money. Okay, so how much it costs? Pretty much, if you don't have to change the motor drive, anything like that, just the garage door, depending on the design, it will be around 2,000, 2,500 a maximum. I can refer you to some garage door installer that give you a good price. Okay, so directly, or you can still go to Home Depot and find out some from Home Depot too, right? But however, I can give you those resources and go inside the house. So outside is curb appeal. In the inside, what attract people, you see all the fix and flipper will do. You saw on the HGTV series, the Bravo series. It's kitchen. Okay, the kitchen is very important. But I say, you don't need to go overboard to the top of the line on this one. A medium range is good enough. And if your kitchen is kind of nice already, I just recommend to clean up, if it's a stain cabinet, to clean it up, clean up, and then maybe put a coat, a new varnish, okay? And then if it's a little bit older, but still in good condition, yeah, to get someone to sand it down, restain it, and revarnish it. Okay, so that's give you a good return on your money. And then if it's kind of worn out at the end of the life, then I recommend to a shaker cabinet. Okay, and then how much it costs? I think a basic sink cabinet, it probably costs you $150. Okay, so it's a 36-inch. And what is that? Three feet. So it's about $50 per linear foot. So you can make some calculation from there. If you have a lot of drawer, anything like that, those add up to the cost a little bit, but not substantially. Okay, so that's the baseline. And for now, quartz is the in thing. Quartz is around 300 something dollars. You should not go overboard to anything too excessive. The $300 range, 300 to 350 range is good enough for a quartz countertop. Okay, so then the next one is the kitchen. No, not the kitchen, right? It's the bathroom. Okay, the bathroom definitely recommend you to either reglaze the bathtub, you don't have to change it, okay? And if it's already have a fiberglass surround, well, depend on budget, you can reglaze it too. Bathtub and surround reglazing is about $450. You make a fresh look, that one. I definitely will recommend to change the vanity to something new, okay? If it's not, in very tip-top shape, okay, change it. It's only a few $100, and then probably a couple $100 for the labor cost, or you can do yourself too, okay? So, and then come to the next one is a flooring. The flooring, if the flooring is kind of old, where now you have old carpet, I recommend to change it because nowadays luxury vinyl tile, which they call people waterproof SPC, not expensive. Okay, so I have resources that you can buy for between $1.50 to $1.80 plus taxes for the material, and the installation is between $1.50 to $2 per square foot installation. Okay, so those costs I can also give you those resources that I have used that I can recommend it also. So you can make a calculation how much the cost to do those things. So those three items inside the house are very important. Okay, but however, if your house still have the single pane window and you like to change it to a dual pane window, people ask for it. It doesn't cost you arm or leg. So figure out each window roughly about $300 for replacement window, depending on the size. But a regular 4 feet by 4 feet, 48 by 48 inch, is probably $300. I have that resource too. Other people may be more expensive, but it's about $300, and plus the installation will be between $100 to $150 per window. Okay, so those items I just mentioned to you outside is to get a manufactured stone veneer and garage door for the curb appeal, and inside to attract people is the kitchen, and then the bathroom. Those are definitely going to give you 100% return, both because those items are also items that a fix and flip investor will do. We'll spend $50 to $60 to $65,000 on a home remodeling to give them back, the same amount. So it's a double, it's 100% return. Please do not hesitate to give me a call. You know how to reach me, text me, and we can set up a time to I can probably visit you and then probably give you the resources. I'm not a general contractor, but I have done quite a few of those. Then I can give you probably some of the resources that I have used that I can recommend, the services, okay, to you. Okay. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.